Take about 25 milliliters of water in a beaker and mix it with 10.5 milliliters of 30 to 32% hypophosphorus acid. Now add 0.5 gram of aluminium metal to hypophosphorus acid. Aluminium reacts very slowly with hypophosphorus acid at room temperature. The reaction with hypophosphorus acid is even slower than the reaction with phosphorus acid. To speed up the reaction, warm the acid gently. It dissolves rapidly in hot hypophosphorus acid with the evolution of hydrogen. This has to be done carefully as hypophosphites release deadly phosphine gas when they decompose. This reaction dies down and also gives a white precipitate when concentrating the solution by boiling. In the second method, take 1 gram of aluminium hydroxide and mix it with a small amount of water. Now add 7.2 milliliters of 30 to 32% hypophosphorus acid. Aluminium hydroxide dissolves slowly in hypophosphorus acid to produce aluminium hypophosphite. I think aluminium hypophosphite is sparingly soluble in water. That is why it remains cloudy, or it happens because of a side reaction. Because some hypophosphites decompose when we boil their strong solution. I try to dissolve aluminium hydroxide completely in acid by boiling it as it appears cloudy. But, as I said, it precipitates out more when boiling its solution. From what I have seen, aluminium hypophosphite is either sparingly soluble in water or side reaction happens when boiling its concentrated solution. But it is soluble in water. Because I tried to precipitate it by mixing solutions of aluminium sulfate and sodium hypophosphite, but it didn't work. On heating aluminium hypophosphite, it decomposes into dialuminium phosphate and deadly phosphine gas. This experiment has to be performed outside or in fume hood. In this experiment, phosphorus gets oxidized in dialuminium phosphate and reduced in phosphine. The oxidation state of phosphorus increases from +1 to +5 in dialuminium phosphate, whereas the oxidation state of phosphorus decreases from +1 to -3 in phosphine. Aluminium hypophosphite is a good reducing agent. Here it reduces cupric chloride to cuprous chloride. But it is not a strong enough reducing agent, unlike other hypophosphites. Usually, they reduce copper salt solution to metallic copper. Maybe something has gone wrong during the preparation of aluminium hypophosphite, especially when concentrated its solution by boiling.